Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to watch YouTube on BMW X5. First, make sure your BMW X5 is equipped with the correct connectivity options, such as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or a screen mirroring function. This easy method leverages your smartphone's capabilities to display content directly onto your car's infotainment screen. It's a straightforward process that enhances your in-car entertainment experience significantly, especially during long waits or when parked. Let's get started with the steps. The first step involves connecting your smartphone to your BMW X5. You can typically do this using a USB cable or wirelessly if your vehicle supports it. Once connected, activate either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or initiate the screen mirroring function from your phone's settings. This establishes the crucial link between your device and the car's display, allowing for seamless content transfer. Ensure a stable connection for uninterrupted viewing. Now that your phone is connected, open the YouTube application directly on your smartphone. Browse and select the video you want to watch. The content should then mirror or display through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto onto your BMW X5's infotainment screen. You can use your car's iDrive controller or touchscreen, if available, to navigate through videos and control playback, making it a truly integrated experience. Enjoy your chosen content. Remember, safety is paramount. Only watch videos when your BMW X5 is safely parked to avoid distractions while driving. Always be aware of and comply with local regulations concerning in-car video playback. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. These tips ensure a safe and enjoyable entertainment experience in your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.